You could be the best of what you are, but if you can't see where you're going, you are not going. If you can't create impact, what we do is meaningless, right? Imagine a person who is the world's best archer who can hit the target, the bullseye, right on. Okay? Imagine a person like that, and he's on the top, probably in the Olympics. Okay? And what I'm going to do is, imagine I'm going to tie a ribbon on his eyes, blindfold him, and then I imagine if the target is here, and then I rotate the guy. Okay, I rotate him, and I let him stop here, and the bullseye is right there. And then he's still blindfolded. And then he's going to take that bow and arrow. So he's spotted. And do you think will he hit it or no? The bullseye is here. The bullseye is here and he's directed this side. Can he hit it? Impossible. You could be the best of what you are. But if you can't see where you're going, you are not going. Get the point? If you can't see your goal, you are not going to. Imagine a football which doesn't have a goal. Whoa! What are these guys running around for? Right? So we as teachers, we are here. Our goal is something very unique. What is the goal of a teacher? All of us as teachers, we are here to teach and educate. That's common, right? That's the motive. That's the basic idea, right? But then, what makes you set apart and different than anybody else? What is it? I would think it's the attitude to create an impact. You know, whatever you do, if you don't make your children feel the impact, if they didn't have an experience in your class, they've just come